Alex, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Practical Python for Production Under Pressure. I was wondering if you could take a moment just to talk to us a little bit about yourself and about your book, what it's about, and who it's for.
Thanks. Yes. So, my I've been working in the industry for a bit over a decade, and working both on the front lines with artists, doing very ducted together solutions, and in the background doing very well structured and tested solutions as well. So this book is focused on almost anti-patterns for Python in production environments. We're looking at the practical side, the duct tape in your tool belt of how we can deliver uh, our scripts, our tools in a user-friendly way on time without driving ourselves to insanity or breaking the entire production.
Yeah, and I love how your book is very explicit about how the kind of things that you need to use when you're under pressure have certain kinds of impacts later on too, and you need to keep those in mind when you're choosing what to do when you're under pressure. But it doesn't save you from the requirements that pressure itself brings, which is one of the things that makes it such a unique programming book and so useful for people as well. The book is Practical Python for Production Under Pressure by Alex Telford. Thank you very much, Alex, for taking the time to do this video.
Thank you.